We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on today. Today we're making a delicious chicken and sausage jambalaya, y'all. And here are our ingredients. Okay, y'all, let's get to cooking this chicken and sausage jambalaya. In my skillet, I have added like 4 tablespoons of oil. I have added my chicken, and now I'm adding some Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Here we're sauteing our chicken. We're going to cook this until it gets almost completely done, but not quite. We don't want to see any pink, but and also we don't want to overcook it either, okay? Because when we add all our ingredients together, we're going to continue to cook it some more, so we don't want to overcook our chicken. So here I'm removing my chicken. As y'all can see, there is no pink, and we're going to set it aside. Now it's time for us to sear up our andouille sausages. We're going to sear these up until they become slightly crispy. Now that our sausage is ready, we're going to remove these as well and set them aside. Here I'm adding my chopped onions and bell peppers, my celery. Okay, as I'm stirring around, as y'all can see, there is some brown goodness at the bottom. That's nothing but flavor, so don't worry about that, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more oil because we want to make sure our vegetables are well cooked and seasoned. Here, I'm adding some minced garlic, and we're going to stir these around a little bit. As y'all can see, the flavor at the bottom has been released. You no longer see it. That's some of the flavor that's going into the vegetables. The vegetables are getting tender. Letting y'all know that I did add some Worcestershire sauce, some oregano, and some parsley to my vegetables. My camera went off and I didn't know it. Sorry about that. Here we're adding our crushed tomatoes. Now we're adding our chicken back in. And also our sausages. We're giving this a quick stir. Now we're adding our rice. Make sure we mix this well. Now we are adding in our chicken broth. Now we're going to give this a good stir because we want our rice to be mixed in well and as evenly as possible. Now it's time to taste. I tasted it and it needed a little more seasoning, so I'm adding a little more Cajun seasoning. And we're going to stir this. Once our jambalaya begins to boil, we're going to reduce our heat to a medium simmer. Make sure to add a lid. And time to time, we're going to go and check our jambalaya and give it a stir to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom and it's cooking evenly. And then we're going to make sure we place our lid back on and let it continue to simmer. until the time is up.
Okay, y'all, the jambalaya is ready. The chicken and sausage jambalaya. Amanda is here to be a taste tester. Let's see how she likes it.
All right, y'all. Here it goes. Smells good, y'all. Okay.
Okay, how does it taste?
It tastes spicy, but it's good, y'all.
Y'all know y'all can put a regular seasoning in it. You don't have to put the Cajun in it. Remember, the sausage and the Cajun makes it spicy. So, but there it is, y'all.
Yeah, I'm about to eat it up.
Okay, there it goes, y'all. Okay.
Well, y'all need to try this recipe, okay? And it's a good dish for like holidays, family reunions. And if you got multiple kids like me, it goes a long way.
Okay, y'all. Well, okay, we're gonna get ready to close so she can finish her food, and like always, I'm gonna say, y'all have a
blessed day, and bye-bye for now. And Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
At home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!